So remember in the last video, we said there's a few variables that, or columns in this case, that look like they can get ingested by the model straight away. Let's start with these and assume these are our very basic model for now. We'll put more variables on it later, don't worry. So for now we're taking the class of the passenger, the number of siblings, and also if a parent is on board, and the fare that the passenger has paid. We take these four together and then we want to say, okay, knowing these four, do I think the passenger survived or not? Right? So first one is a passenger in class 3 with only one spouse on board and a small fare being paid, and we see, okay, that person died. So what the AI model is gonna do is essentially say every customer that looks fairly similar to that, right? As close as possible with all the parameters here. Every customer that's similar, it seems they're actually more likely to die because I've seen that on this specific customer here, that he or she has not survived, unfortunately. The next one is a passenger in the class number 1, and we see this passenger, he has one spouse traveling with her or him, and that customer has paid a very, very high ticket price. So almost the exact opposite of the customer 1 in terms of luxury here. And we see that customer has survived, right? So already we seem to have one learning that expensive classes tend to survive, right? That's the way the model works, and it does that many times. We've got some 800 or so passengers going down this whole list, and the model will average over all these customers to find out what are the typical truths that this data set is telling us.